everyone! Today I'm going to cook stir-fry vegetable with chicken sausage. Thank you to all subscribers, silent viewers, and thank you so much for coming my channel or visit my channel. Thank you and God bless. You have to add 2 tablespoons of oil and 4 cloves of garlic and 1/2 onion white. And then you have to add broccoli. So the broccoli, I boiled that 1 minute, and also bell pepper, or we call achal in our language. It's very healthy and delicious. And by the way, add the sausage, which I fried with half cook. So now you have to stir it. So I cook for this for my husband dinner. It's very easy and delicious and healthy. And also I add Knorr seasoning, like 2 tablespoons. And also the beef stock, 2 tablespoons of beef powder, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. So the sausage, guys, the chicken sausage, I bought this in Walmart. Now we have to boil it. It's already, everything is half cooked, so it's easy to cook. Now 1 tablespoon of black pepper. If you want to spicy, you can add a chili here, this food. And also 2 tablespoons cornstarch with water, so to get sticky, and add a little bit of Knorr seasoning. I don't put salt, just put beef powder and also Knorr seasoning sauce. So now our food is ready to serve. So thank you so much to all my silent viewers, supporter, or subscriber. Thank you. God bless all. Please don't skip the ads, likes, and subscribe, share, and leave comment. And please don't forget to push the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, you're always updated. So now our vegetable stir-fry with chicken is ready to serve. Thank you, and see you my next video. And also God bless. Shout out to all my silent viewers, subscribers, and supporters. You can add when we can write down if you want to shout out. I can shout to you guys. No, you can write down, so I can write to those wants to shout out your name. So now, as you can see, our stir-fry vegetable and chicken sausage is ready. So thank you, and see you my next video. God bless.